Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. How's everyone doing today? I hope you had a wonderful Easter weekend. I know mine was busy. I did have some sad news. My girlfriend, Lucy Royal Barsonis, of 8 very wonderful years, her father passed away early Sunday morning. So my condolences to Lucy and all her family. And I want to thank everyone for the wonderful thoughts and prayers that they sent us. Really appreciate that. Okay, now I got some pretty cool things to talk about today that's going on with Oh Bless. You just watched Marty and Red, both did excellent lives. Please check those out on their YouTube. I think Marty actually went live on all YouTube channels. Something he was helping me out with Oh Bless. Let me say the 2 o'clock today is a private founders. You never know if Ash Mafar is going to show up. He's been pretty consistent for the last 4 or 5 weeks. So I don't know for sure, but get on there and get ready. You know, sometimes he gives us some real good updates. So check that out at 2 o'clock. That link's in the back office. That is a private founders, even though some people put it out there. You shouldn't, but it's okay. We'll forgive you this time. Tomorrow at 9 o'clock, and I'll be talking about this today and Tuesday, I started the Oh Bless webinar, which is a little different. We're asking for ideas and solutions on things to fix poverty, okay? And the connections I'm making are phenomenal, and those connections I'm making through all of you. I'm going to do something different on Tuesday. It's probably going to go a lot longer, and I want to let everyone know right now. Through Jeffrey Morlock connected to a very, very huge global company that does everything green. And this guy is an amazing, amazing person, what he's done. And it has to do with water. I know a lot of you, I said, now Marcine, I know, was asking me about where she comes from, about fresh water. People are dying because they're drinking water that's absolutely horrible because they're thirsty. And the truth is, it's making them sick and even causing a lot of them to die. That's throughout the world. You're going to really want to be on this one. And I'm going to tell the founders right now what I'm doing here. And with Robin Noble, I asked her yesterday. So pretty much I'm going to give this show, hand it over to Jeffrey Morlock. He's going to do a 7-minute presentation. He's going to introduce this wonderful guest, a special guest, maybe 2. I'll find out another hour if this other person get on, but I guarantee you'll be blown away. This is actually really, really big for the Oh Bless. I believe it's going to be the first Oh Bless project that we put out there that's going to be global. Things that blew me away. I've talked to Jeffrey a few times over the weekend. He sent me information. I called my brother Marty up. I said, you're not going to believe this. And we're going to try to blow it up. So now, 9 o'clock on Tuesday, we're going to have this Oh Bless. So what I'm going to do, because I want everyone's voice to be heard, and I mean everyone's, for their ideas, their solutions, we're going to carry this over to Thursday, where Robin Noble is going to help us out with Oh Bless, the overflow. Okay, unless something else big comes up, we have an announcement, but we'll also do that. But Robin is very appreciative, Robin Noble, for helping me out with this. Very appreciative of Jeffrey Morlock. And to, last week we had that lady on there, Feline, through Jake Fish, and that was huge. That was basically structural. Amazing. So we're really excited about that. But this one tomorrow is going to be really cool. So anyone that's out there that lives in a country where water is an issue, clean water, no water, you're going to be pretty blown away what you have to hear from this 1 or 2 gentlemen that's going to speak. The number 2 guy I know is going to be on there, and it's a good chance, and I'll know in an hour, that the CEO of this global company will be on the Oh Bless show tomorrow. So I ask all of you, I know I have a running order already of people that had their hands up. If we don't get to you on Tuesday, because I really want to give this whole show to this guy, and Thursday we will do the overflow where everyone's going to start able to get, because like I said, I want everyone's ideas. I don't want to hold back. I'm not picking favorites, But this one is very, very important. So today, if you can, I'm going to do this live today, tomorrow. Share this live out to anyone, and let's show them what Obless is really going to do. And my whole goal is to connect the dots with every fundraising green corporations all together. And the main goal here for me is to connect all of these people together through Obless, and we're going to get a lot of things done, fixed. Especially this water issue. I'm very, very excited about it. Go drop into a little bit what Red and Marty was talking about. The Dubai thing was completely awesome. I give a big hats off to my brother Red and my brother Marty DeGarmo, who really did a phenomenal job. Red filled in every gap. He was really professional. I told him, and I wasn't joking, that I think he missed his calling. He's a chef, you know that, but he's a rock star, and I think any news network worldwide would love to see Red Redford on their show. That's how good I thought he was, and we got a lot of compliments about Red and Marty, how they did it, and it really turned out great. I know what they did. A lot of people are saying, what is it going to be? From like last week, they had 9 the first time we did it, so we had some technical difficulties. This time it went off without a hitch. We had one little technical glitch that shut the sound off for a minute, but everything was perfect. They had drones, cameras everywhere, every LED, every screen, every advertisement was about Onpassive throughout Dubai. I thought it was pretty amazing. We had like a routine that we were all following in order. It kind of got messed up a little bit, but none of you guys would ever know that. And it was fun. It was nerve-wracking, but it all worked out in the end, and we appreciate everyone that participated. And because we had Zoom issues, a lot of the people that we were supposed to get on the panel, we weren't able to get them onto the Zoom, and we apologize for that, even though we had no control over it, and we'll get you guys on again on the next one. Now, I know this Friday coming up, there's another big event in Dubai with the Burj Khalifa and everything else, and as we get more information, we'll let you know. And then after that, there's going to be more events planned. Waiting on that information. Can't tell you any information about it, but get ready because it's really going to be exciting. I guarantee you'll be excited. A lot of the founders are asking me, what's next? What's next? Well, you're just going to have to wait, but it's not going to be a long wait. Ashmafar has planned this stuff strategically. We get involved. A few of us get involved with him to help him out in situations he needs. If he gets overbooked, we'll say, because he's busy, we want him to keep doing what he's doing. And we jump in there, and help out any way we can. But the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is an amazing thing. I know we've been showing all about Dubai, how the buildings were built, and it's a very, very, to me, it's an amazing country there and what they've built. And a lot of it's all green, so I'm real happy with that. Let me say some hi to people. I let this build up a little bit. Let me go to the top. Sonia Shuka, how you doing? Rupa Paul, there's my beautiful sister from India. Nashville Milo, what's happening, Milo? He was down in Boston with me. Let me tell you something. Milo is very tall. I think he's taller than what he says, but he's tall. Della K, how you doing? Yep, oh bless us coming, Della. Pat Parrott, another live monster. You can hear my voice. I've been going at it all weekend again. Keep doing what you're doing, Pat. I'm loving it. Steve Rapp, how you doing? Okay, that's okay. Family first, Steve. You got a date night with your wife? Loving it. You give her a big hug and a nice steak dinner for me, eh? John White's in the house. What's happening, my brother? Boy, if you guys ever heard John White really laugh, once he starts laughing, it's contagious and you can't stop. MK Kelly, Saddam Aladdin, how you doing? Lystra T, yes he was, Lystra. What's happening? So are you. And by the way, you looked absolutely gorgeous. Loved your hair. You presented Onpassive, very professional. I love what you had to say. William Nowamananya, I never get that right, William. I'm sorry, I'm trying. James R. Bill, there you are, James. I was almost right on schedule for you, buddy. Hanafu Kanam, how you doing? Stephen Johnstone, how you doing, my brother? Haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? I know you've been watching me. Azar Khan, how you doing, my UK brother? another one in the house. Jay Mookie, another live monster. My goodness. Hold on. Water break. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Jay Mookie, another live monster from India. Keep doing what you're doing, Jay. Floridine Zephyrin, how you doing? I'm jumping. Susie McCrae, yeah. Milo is tall. And let me tell you, Susie McCrae, woo! Let me say, that's a party. Susie McCrae is real, and she's a lot of fun. And I absolutely had a blast with her. Looking forward to meeting her again. Have conversations every other day with Susie, and we actually have a lot of fun. So, Susie, I love you with all my heart. I had a lot of fun with you. Theo Orfandis, what's happening? Delicate and Susie, I know if you got to leave early today, Marty asked me if you're going to leave. I will fill in for any one of you that need a break or you got to go somewhere. All you got to do, I'll be on. Just let me know and I'll jump on there today. Ooh, Jay Chundley, how you doing? I think it was your birthday, Jay, the other day. I'm not sure if it is. Happy birthday to you. Patricia Reese, how you doing? MD Bilal Hassan Roni, how you doing? Sonia Shuka, did I get you? I think I did. I'm jumping around here. Cassie, how you doing, Casey? Casey or Cassie? Tanya Passive, my executive, everything. Fixes everything that I screw up. And everyone else. So appreciate you, Tanya. Timothy Dillon, what's happening? Yvonne Armanette, what's happening? Frap is in the house. Hey, auto workers, don't miss this. I'm pretty sure in the next couple weeks, we've been saying it for a while, the founder's position will be ending. It's almost like, I'm not going to say guarantee, but from what everything Ash is saying, that's coming to an end. So basically, you got a couple weeks to get in this. Okay, if you know me and you see me talking about this, or you know anyone that shares this, please listen. I don't beg people. I don't try to make you think something that you don't want. Check it out. But I promise you, you will be blown away because this is something brand new. Brand new, folks. With everything that's already out there, but better. And you get paid residual income. So for the life of me, I don't know why anyone would want to join for $97. So get back with that person. Share it out, guys. Share this out. My brother Bill Must has a YouTube that I support 100%. Bill Must help me making a YouTube. Support all of us, but I want you to support Bill Must more because he's done a lot for everybody. And he did this out of the kindness of his heart, and I'm very appreciative of him. So anything Bill Must, John White, Timmy Johnson, please check it out, make a comment, and share. And another thing I want to talk about, excuse me, a lot of the meetings we've been doing lately, we're doing the new backdrop thing where we got a backdrop behind us. All right. I don't want that to slow us down on Tuesday. So if you need that backdrop, I'll post it on my Facebook. Bill Must made it for me. But at the start of the show, we're not going to talk about who needs a backdrop. At that point, it's not important. The most important thing is that you're there. Okay, so if you need that backdrop and you don't have to have it, text me. I'll send it to you. Not a problem. But that show will start right at 9 o'clock because it's going to be very, very important. And I want you to see it, and I don't want to mess around with backdrops. Okay, well, you guys have seen that over and over. So when you come on there, 9 o'clock, psh, hush. I want you to hear what Jeffrey and this other company has to, not what has to offer, man. They're there. They're already doing this. Been telling people for a long time, oh, Bless is getting people connected that are already doing these things. But we're going to make that scale go so much bigger, okay? And that's what I'm talking about. If you know someone, a company, or a person that deals with homelessness, poverty, get in contact with me, okay? Every Tuesday I'm going to try to have a special guest on there. I want you to be educated on what's really going on in this world and what these companies or these individuals are doing to help all of us, okay? There's a lot of things that are broken in this world, you know, and I don't want to get into it now because I won't shut up. But I want you guys to remember, oh bless is extremely important to me, and I know a whole bunch else of people because it's going to do amazing things. And I guarantee you're going to see them blessed all over the world because we're going to be all over the world helping people out. We will be starting it in Detroit, but just because we're starting it in Detroit doesn't mean you can't get something else going. We're going to try to model it, blueprint it, and send it out. And when you got to see what we got on tomorrow's show with Jeffrey Morlock and what he brought to the table, you're going to be blown away. I promise you that. So any people that always worry about water, I need you on that show, and then we will carry it over. And if that's the case every week, because last week I had more hands than I've ever seen raised that had ideas, I want to hear everyone's voice. Everyone. I do have Peter Shore will be right by my side. I have Janet Butler, Daryl Cook, who surprised me. Janet made a spreadsheet. Daryl Cook took perfect notes, and they helped me out. I was blown away by that. I didn't expect that, but I'm hoping they can continue that. But I know Daryl Cook also has some great things too. But tomorrow, I want to blow you away at what we got. I promise you I'm going to have special people on here. Did I think I was going to get global companies right away? No, I didn't. That's what I'm really excited about. Global companies that are already building infrastructures for people that need help. Global companies that are doing amazing things with technologies they have with water sources, water supplies, how to get fresh water. I'm telling you, you're going to be blown away, but I need you to be on there 9 o'clock, and it's going to be recorded, and I'm sure Marty's going to live stream it so you can watch it anywhere. So I'm happy about that. But if you do have a birthday today, happy birthday to you. I wish you many, many more birthdays. If you're sick, we're praying for you. I know there's a lot of people out there, especially my girlfriend Lucci. Still please pray for her family. That's not easy. Especially it was at 4 o'clock in the morning I got the call. So reach out and deep in your heart and say some prayers for everybody, guys. A lot of people are sick. We need a lot of help in this world, and I still believe prayer is the number one answer for everything. So get on this. I love every one of you. I'll see you guys at the 2 o'clock, which is about an hour and 6 minutes. Private founder, the link's in the back office. Please support my brother Bill Musk, Johnny White, Timmy Johnson. Thanks for all you do. Definitely check out Red and Marty's lives today. They were awesome. Red Redforn, like I said about the hat, you did awesome. Marty DeGarmo and Red are just like a perfect team. They did it beautiful. And be ready for more, because more is coming. More is coming that it's going to be crazy, crazy, crazy. Try not to get too excited because my voice is shot already, but you guys really have no idea what's coming up, and it's going to blow you away. And now you're part of it. You're part of what's going to be the biggest company in the world, the biggest giving company in the world, the most successful company in the world. Why? Because they give. Ashma Fire keeps giving, giving, giving. He wants everyone that he can to be part of this. Why? Because the more people that we have in Onpassive, the more people will get involved in Bless, and oh my God, the ideas are flowing. So let's get it done. I'll see you at 2. I'm trying to think if I forgot anything. If not, I'll be back tomorrow talking about it. If anything comes up unexpected, myself, Red, and Marty will jump on and do a live. Remember 360 on Wednesday. We got all kind of things happening this week, guys, but just be ready. Just be prepared. Always check your emails. You never know what's going to come at you. And let's just do this. All right. I love every one of you. Thank you for supporting me again. Let me see if I missed some names. If I did, Don McIntyre, there you are. How you doing? Winfried, what's happening? I got people from all over the world, which I'm absolutely love. Tanya Edkar Shamana. I have them from India, Bangladesh, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, France, America, Canada. We are global. We're a global company, folks. Bless, say yes to Bless, because it's coming, it's here, and I think you're going to see the start of something really big. And my predictions, when Ash Mafar finds out what we got bringing tomorrow, just my thoughts. I think we'll even be doing Bless before we even launch. Got to find that out. That's just my opinion on it. That's how big this is. All right, guys. I'll see you later. You can hear my voice is just shot. Ooh, I need a big old honey jar down my throat. All right. I love every one of you. Share the heck out of this. Let's get people involved in Onpassive. All right. Maybe they're already successful, and maybe they just want to help out with more funding for their projects. Let's do this, guys. I love every one of you. Bill Must, you know what you got to do. Roll those YouTubes, Bill. All right. We'll see y'all later. Bye.